नमस्कार, मैं संजीव कुमार आपका स्वागत करता हूं द मार्केट इंटेल में। आज जो स्टॉक्स टू वॉच है जो 7 मार्च के लिए जो फोकस स्टॉक रहेगा ट्रेडिंग एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए, उस पे आज हम लोग चर्चा करेंगे। लेकिन उसके पहले एक डिस्क्लेमर है कि ये कोई बाय सेल रिकमेंडेशन नहीं है, ये सिर्फ एजुकेशनल पर्पस के लिए है। बिफोर इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड ट्रेडिंग प्लीज कंसल्ट योर फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर। तो आज का फोकस स्टॉक है टाटा मोटर्स। ऑन मार्च 6, global rating agency Moody's confirmed that Ba3 rating of the Tata Motors, maintaining a positive outlook, reported PTI. In addition, Moody's Investor Service stated that it has also confirmed the Ba3 senior unsecured instrument rating of Tata Motors Limited (TML). According to Moody's obligations, BA ratings are considered to have speculative elements and carry a significant credit risk. The modifier 3 signifies a position at the lower end of this generic rating category. तो इस तरह से टाटा मोटर का रेटिंग पॉजिटिव है। और आपका दूसरा जो स्टॉक है वो है सॉरी NCL India. The government is planning to divest up to 7% of its stake in the coal mining company NLC India through an offer for sale (OFS) this week. The move could potentially raise up to 2,200 crores rupees, $266 million based on the current price, as reported by Reuters on Wednesday, citing sources. In another news, the company is in an exchange filing, said Gujarat state-owned electricity utility (GUVNL) has signed a 25-year agreement to buy electricity from the company's subsidiary NLC India Green Energy Limited (NIGEL). तो 600 megawatt solar plant at rupees 2.705 kilowatt hour तो इस तरीके से इसके लिए एक पॉजिटिव न्यूज है। देखते हैं उसका आज मार्केट पे क्या असर होता है। महिंद्रा एंड महिंद्रा, नेक्स्ट स्टॉक है महिंद्रा एंड महिंद्रा। तो प्रूडेंशियल मैनेजमेंट एंड सर्विसेज प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, a promoter group entity of Mahindra and Mahindra, has begun a secondary sale of the company's shares, citing the family need for liquidity. अच्छा, फैमिली नीड के लिए लिक्विडिटी की जरूरत है, इसलिए वो सेकेंडरी सेल ऑफ द कंपनी शेयर्स करेंगे। दिस वाज डिस्क्लोज इन a stock exchange filing by the automobile manufacturer on Wednesday. The filing was made in response, ये कहाँ चला गया जी, महिंद्रा एंड महिंद्रा प्रूडेंशियल, ये तो हो गया। द फाइलिंग वाज मेड इन रिस्पॉन्स टू ए न्यूज रिपोर्टेड द प्रमोटर सेलिंग देयर शेयर्स। अच्छा, it stated that following the transfer of PMSL share from the late Kesub Mahindra, the former chairman of M&M, who passed away on 12th April 2023, to his family members. The family plans to sell a small portion of M&M shares held by PMSL to meet a specific financial need. उसके लिए जरूरत था, इसलिए। अब जो नेक्स्ट स्टॉक है वो है कौन सा, जेएम फाइनेंशियल प्रोडक्ट। तो इसमें है कि आरबीआई हैज एक्सप्रेस्ड कंसर्न ओवर सीरियस irregularities at JM Financial Products Limited (JMFPL). These include violation of Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering norms, as well as the sharing and usage of customer data across group entity. तो ये इसके लिए नेगेटिव है जेएम फाइनेंशियल प्रोडक्ट के लिए. These issues have led to action being taken against the firm, according to sources close to the matter. In addition, the regulator has significant discrepancy in the company loan sanction process during its interview, and sources requesting remain anonymous said that there are serious violations of KYC and AML guidelines, deviation in the loan sanction process, and also sharing and usage of customer data across the group entities. तो ये सीवियर केस है, कंपनी के लिए बहुत नेगेटिव है. नेक्स्ट स्टॉक है अदानी इंटरप्राइज. Adani Enterprise, the company is an exchange filing, said its Dubai-based subsidiary Osprey International (FGCO) has successfully purchased a 100% stake in Lee March Duty Free SAS LMDF, a company based in France, for a total of €5,000. This acquisition is intended to strengthen the company position and growth in the duty-free industry. In a statement to the exchange, Adani Enterprises underscored the importance of this acquisition, noting that it aligns with the expansion objective of the Mumbai Travel Retail Private Limited. तो इस तरह का एक्विजिशन हुआ है कंपनी का, फ्रांस की कंपनी का. नेक्स्ट स्टॉक है Ceat. The company Chennai facility has the potential to manufacture up to 3,000 truck and bus radial TBR tires daily. There is also an opportunity to boost its production of passenger car radial tires, currently at a rate of 20,000 tires per day. The company's future direction is expected to be influenced by its digital and technological advancements. Analysts who recently toured the Chennai plant were impressed with the high level of automation and digitization at the facility. तो सीएट के लिए पॉजिटिव रहेगा, तो इस पर नजर रखिएगा आप लोग. नेक्स्ट स्टॉक है इंद्रप्रस्था गैस लिमिटेड IGL. The company has cut the retail prices of compressed natural gas (CNG) in all its service areas, effective from 6 am on March 7. The new selling price of CNG in Delhi is 74.09 per kg, a drop from the previous rate of 76.59 per kg. In Noida, Greater Noida and Ghaziabad, the prices has been revised to 78.70 per kg, down from 81.20 per kg. तो घटाया है प्राइस. This announcement from IGL comes a day after Mahanagar Gas (MGL) reduced its CNG price by 2.5 per kg to 73.50 per kg. The company attributes these price reduction to a decrease in gas input cost. गैस इनपुट के कॉस्ट में के कारण घटाया गया है. इंडियन ऑयल कॉर्पोरेशन, इस पे नजर रखिएगा. द कंपनी इज सेट टू बिगिन प्रोडक्शन ऑफ फ्यूल यूज्ड इन द हाई ऑक्टेन sport of Formula 1 or F1 racing within the next 3 months. This move is part of IOC's strategy to broaden its range of specialized fuels. This new fuel will be supplied for the Asian Region Motorcycle Road Racing Championship. We are currently collaborating with the FIM Asia Road Racing Championship to supply स्टॉक। तो रेसिंग के लिए फ्यूल स्पेशलाइज्ड फ्यूल तैयार करते हैं। We take pride in being the first company in India to produce fuel that meets the specification required for road racing। मतलब इनका कहना है कि इंडिया में हम फर्स्ट है कंपनी जो रोड रेसिंग के लिए गाड़ी है उसके लिए फ्यूल तैयार करते हैं। Said Srikant Madhav Vaidya, the chairman of IOC. IOC is slated to provide fuel for all the motorcyclists from 15 different countries participating in the FIM Asia Road Racing Championship। और जो नेक्स्ट स्टॉक है वो है श्री राम फाइनेंस। द नॉन बैंकिंग फाइनेंशियल कंपनी इज प्रिपेयरिंग a secure 200 million loan through an external commercial borrowing (ECB) facility from several international banks as soon as next week. This move is aimed to bolstering the bolstering its funding to meet the growing demand for credit. The company has expressed interest in obtaining what will be categorized as a social loan due to Shriram lending portfolio, which encompasses loans to a small business owner and socially vulnerable group. Umesh Revankar, vice president of the company, said that HSBC, DBS, and Barclays have been appointed as the primary banks to facilitate the fundraising, which could be priced as early as next week। अब जो नेक्स्ट स्टॉक है वो है ग्लेनमार्क लाइफ साइंस। द फार्मा कंपनी a company announced on Wednesday that its chairman Glenn Saldanha and non-executive director V.S. Mani have stepped down following a change in the company ownership. Sridhar Gorthi, an independent director, has also resigned alongside Saldanha and Mani, effective from the end of the business hours on March 6, 2024, as stated in a regulatory filing by the company. In a resignation letter made public on BSE by the company Saldanha mentioned that this decision to leave the board and this position as chairman is in line with the transfer of the company ownership from Glenmark Pharmaceutical to Nirma Limited, इसलिए ये चेंज हुआ है। तो ये 7 मार्च के लिए स्टॉक्स टू वॉच है, इस पर ध्यान रखिएगा। फिर डिस्क्लेमर है, ये कोई बाय सेल रिकमेंडेशन नहीं है। आप फाइनेंशियल एडवाइजर से जरूर सलाह लें ट्रेडिंग और इन्वेस्टमेंट करने के पहले। फिर मिलेंगे अगले अंक में किसी और नए स्टॉक्स के साथ, तब तक के लिए नमस्कार।